Hello students, now today we discuss the integrating by part. The topic of integration in integration, integrating by part. Integrating by part as the if u and v, if u and v are two function of x, u and v are two function of x, then the integration of u v dx equal to first function integral of second minus dy by dx of first function into integral of second function and whole integration. This is the formula of integrating by part, and we select the first function by using the आइलेट के माध्यम से, आइलेट के थ्रू जो है हम फर्स्ट फंक्शन को सिलेक्ट करते हैं. आइलेट क्या है? I means inverse of trigonometric function. I means inverse of trigonometric function. Example: sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, etc. And L be the logarithmic function. L be the logarithmic function. Now log x, log 1 upon x, and so. A is the algebraic function. A is the algebraic function, and t be the trigonometric function, and e exponential function. So we choose the or select the first function and second function through the islet. If we know about the islet, so I is the inverse trigonometric function, L is the logarithmic function, A is the algebraic function, T is the trigonometric function, and E is the exponential function. When we have choose the first function and second function, that first function integral of the second function minus dy by dx of first function into integral of second function and whole integration of the function. That is way to simplify the problem of integrating by part. This is way to solving the problem of integrating by part. Clear? Now see the question. Now see the question. X sin x dx, x sin x dx. Now we select the first function through the eyelid, a, that is a first function, and sin x, that is second function. Apply the formula of integrating by part. First function integral of second function minus d by dx of x into integral of sin x dx and whole integral. Clear? So x integral of sin x minus cos x minus 1 into minus cos x dx and minus x cos x plus cos x dx minus x cos x plus integral of cos x sin x plus c. Sin x plus c. This is way to find the integral of a function, integral of a two function, first function and second function by the integrating by part. Clear? Next question. X log x integral of x log x dx, x log x dx. Now log x is the logarithmic function. This is the first function and it is the second function. So first function integral of second function minus integration of d by dx of first function into integral of second function and whole integration. That is log x into x square by 2 minus 1 upon x into x square by 2 dx. Therefore, x square upon 2 log x minus 1 upon 2 x dx and x square upon 2 log x minus 1 upon 2 x square by 2 plus c. That's equal to x square by 2 log x minus x square upon 4 plus c. X square plus x square upon 4 plus c. This is the result of the given integral function. Next, x sin inverse x sin inverse x dx, x sin inverse x dx. Let sin inverse x is equal to t. So x is equal to sin t, dx is equal to cos t dt. When we substitute sin inverse x is equal to t and x sin t, x equal to sin t and dx is equal to cos t dt, cos t dt. Now x as the sin t and sin inverse x as t, so t sin t cos t dt 1/2 t2 sin t cos t dt equal to 1/2 t sin 2t dt, sin 2t dt. Now we apply by integrating of part through the islet 1/2 t first function, second function, sin 2t dt minus dy dt t integral sin 2t dt dt. So 1/2 t minus cos 2t/2 minus 1 into minus cos 2t/2 dt. One by 4 t minus cos 2t plus 1/4 cos 2t dt minus 1/4 t cos 2t plus 1/4 integral of cos 2t dt. यहाँ पर जो फंक्शन है -1/4 t cos 2t plus 1/4 cos 2t dt -1/4 t cos 2t 1 minus 2 sin square t, 2 sin square t plus 1 by 4 sin 2t upon 2 plus c sin 2t upon 2 plus c minus 1 by 4 t 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 1 by 8 2 sin t cos t plus c. Clear? Now minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x 1 minus 2 x square 1 minus 2x square plus 1 by 4 sin t under root 1 minus sin square t plus c under root 1 minus sin square t plus c, that's equal to minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x 1 minus 2x square plus 1 by 4 x under root 1 minus x square plus c under root 1 minus x square plus c. Now here, if the 2 sin is cos 2t, now you will apply the formula of sin 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta and sin 2t change into the 2 sin t cos t, change into the 2 sin t cos t. So sin t equal to x, but the cos t change through the sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta and cos theta equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta. So cos t change into the under root 1 minus sin square t. Now we substitute the value of sin t and t. So 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 sin inverse x in bracket 1 minus 2x square plus 1 by 4 x under root 1 minus 2x square. Clear? Thank you.